Um, this part
Why do you think that one is wrong?
because yeah, I thought it would be like different because like no, I don't even know. I think it is. I didn't know, so I went
So,
to look in our other lesson and I checked our other lesson.
uh-huh.
I don't
And you
see
didn't see anywhere where we are doing stuff like that.
that.
You don't see anywhere where we are doing something like that.
I did.
So the thing is this: inner HTML can take both numbers, can take text, can take another HTML in form of string. The important thing is that it is on the left hand side.
That's so sorry.
Okay,
What is fucking? What did
can
you
you
say,
hear me
sorry?
now?
Yes.
I said that inner HTML can take numbers. It can also take text, and it can take um, strings. That's HTML strings. The important thing is that um, it's on the left hand side and it's on the receiving side. So anything that's on the right hand side will ultimately, as a variable, you can see it as something that is always on the receiving side. That's technically what inner HTML does for you. So whenever you need something to be there, it's there to receive it. So you can go ahead and test your code. Let's see if you're
No.
now. What's the goal? The goal is that when you click this button, five more buttons will appear, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So that's the first thing we should take note of. So click that button. Let's see.
I'm clicking on it.
So that's the first. You need to go and find out why when you are clicking on this button, nothing is happening. Go back to your code.
Okay, so
So you see, sometimes it's not as if anybody is perfect. I can write a code and I will make mistakes in it. Okay. But now
mm-hmm.
figuring where that mistake is very critical. Like in this case now, we're clicking on a button and nothing is happening. So let's go look at that button. Have you put in everything that button needs? Let's see. So we're in the body section now. Let's look at that button critically. We have button on click. I have create four buttons function. That's what on click is calling. Okay. So now let us go and look at our function up there. Okay. So now I see there's even a mistake in your button. Go back, go back. There's a mistake in your button, and I didn't expect that you would still make this mistake. Scroll down. Look at your button very well.
Uh, okay. Is it? No. I didn't mean to. Uh,
Okay, okay, leave it, leave it, leave it. Scroll up.
it's
See
right.
if it's okay, it's okay. Just leave it. I didn't see the greater than there. It's okay. Scroll
Okay.
up. Let's. So go up to where you have the name of the function.
I
Okay.
did.
So the function is also called create four buttons, exactly as it is specified there. Let me
Mm-hmm.
see. So now let's now look at the code inside the function. That's another place where the error can come from. So these are the possible spots where errors can come. Number one, the button may not be well formed. Number two, the function that you put in the onClick attribute is not the same as the one that you are supposed to call. But when they are exactly the same, then let's look at inside the function what the issue might be. So beyond what was sent to you. All right. So now look at that. Your very first button there is not complete. That add button, that addition button is not complete. Have you seen what is missing? I want you to be finding out this thing yourself. Have you seen what is missing? Hello, Simeon, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. I'm looking on
Uh-huh.
my phone. But doesn't all of this need a less than?
All of this need a less than at which point?
At here, at the beginning when it said before the being button.
It does now. I said there is something that is missing, so it's not that less than that is the problem.
Okay. Body addition. So is the rest of them wrong?
Yes, all of them are missing something. Some of them are missing one thing. Some of them are missing two things. So I need you to figure out what's missing and fix it.
Is there a greater than after the end of the button?
I mean, when you looked at the button that you have in the body there, the one that you are trying to use, you are trying to create in the code, should also have everything that that one has. So anything that is not, that you see, you put in the body that is not in this one, that means that that thing is necessary. So go ahead and put it.
So it's just the greater than. Yes, sir.
When you attend to the remaining ones. Okay. All right.
Okay, sir.
Let's see. Test it again. Let's see.
No, okay.
Let's go back to the code and look at it again. So you have button on click, subtract, subtraction, multiplication.
The button on click.
Now, you see, when you say d.inner.html, is that how it was typed exactly in the code?
So is it like this? Just one.
No,
But that one's okay.
that's not. It's not. There were two, but is that how the inner HTML was typed? That is enough to cause an error.
So is it capital letter? Is it capital letter T, M, and L?
Can you type it exactly as I typed it in the code?
Okay, so. No.
Now fix the other ones. The other one.
Oh yeah, true. Oh, mm, okay, sir.
Scroll to the top. Let's see.
Okay, sir.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
So I hope everything is okay now. You can
Mm,
test it again.
it's still not working.
All right. Let's check it one more time.
Can be wrong.
Let's check it one more time. Go back to the. Okay.
I think it might be like the button on click or something.
The button on click.
Mm. Or the like, or maybe the inner HTML.
Look at that division very well. The one for division.
Yes. But is it that?
Yes. But let's still look at the others. Document.get element by ID. That thing is wrong. Look at it very well.
It's wrong.
Document element by ID. There's something wrong there.
Where? Which one? All of
Document
them.
dot element by ID.
Uh, calculate. What is wrong? Is it capital letter I?
Hmm. Well, the one I sent to you in the code, did they have capital letter I?
No, I just saw that.
Eh?
No, I just saw that. No, it does not.
It does not have capital letter I.
Hmm? It does.
Mm. So why did you not put small letter I there? So fix it from the beginning. You see, this is the reason why I tell you always depend on your Visual Studio IntelliSense. IntelliSense will always these small errors that I'm making now. This document.get element by ID and that inner HTML. Those are errors that if you follow the suggestion from Visual Studio, you wouldn't have made that mistake.
Let me espresso. I green. Okay, should be working.
All of them.
Let me check. Oh, what?
All of them have been changed.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Just. It's working.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I never click on them. Please enter number 5, 6.
Does it show the answer there? Mm?
Multiplication. Yes, it shows it boldly.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It shows it.
All right. So maybe we should make it. Let's make it. Let's make it in such a way that um, when it shows the answer, it should show us the operation that gave that answer. So, for instance, addition should have addition in front, then the answer. That kind of thing. Or you understand what I'm trying to say? So that we will not just see the answer, we will see which operation gave us the answer. Do you get what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so go back to your code. Let's now the code is working, but we want to just make some you know addition.
No, sir, the addition was not working.
Which one is not working?
Wait, I tried to addition. Wait,
Addition did not
5
work.
and 6. It doesn't show an answer.
Let's go and check why it's not showing an answer now. You know where to check why it's not showing an answer, right?
Yes. Yeah.
So where is the function that does addition for you?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. So why do you think it's not showing you anything?
Uh, um, I done something wrong.
Yes. So what is that thing that you did wrong?
Uh, oh yeah.
Have you seen it?
Yeah. 5. Okay, it works now.
All right. So let's make it such a way that addition will show us addition, subtraction will show us subtraction, and so on and so
Sir,
forth.
please, can I go charge the phone?
Your phone is not charged.
Yes, it's 4%.
So how will you be seeing if we need to reference the question? How will you be seeing it?
I'll
Okay,
give
you
it.
can go and
I'll
charge
bring it.
it. See, no problem. Since we have been able to get to
Okay.
go to work, you can go and charge it.
Okay, so. Ah, I'm back, sir.
Okay. All right. So do you understand what I wanted you to do?
Yes.
So let us do the first one for addition. So where do you think we would make changes so that it will be telling
Yeah.
us what it is? Yes. All right. So now go to that last line, the where you have the inner HTML. After the after the B, but before the semicolon. Put your cursor there. Uh-huh. So now we want to concatenate. We are going to concatenate, and you know it's the plus sign we will use to concatenate. Okay. Then put your quotation marks because we want to specify addition there. Uh-huh. So you know those two vertical bars, right?
What
That
is
look
that?
like one. Those vertical bars that look like L on top of enter, on top of the enter key. You have to press shift to get it. That's not vertical though. No. On top of the enter key, shift. There's a key above the enter key on your keyboard. Press shift and press that key.
My
Have you seen it?
Wait,
Like a
wait.
vertical bar. It looks like a vertical bar.
Wait. Who is it?
Have you seen your enter key?
Yes.
Not the one on the number side though. The one on the where you have the letters. Have you seen the one I'm talking about?
Why have letters?
Where you have the letters, that's enter key. You know there are two enter keys on some keyboards. So the one that's on the side where you have the alphabet, the letters of the alphabet. Have you seen the enter key I'm talking about?
I don't have two enter keys.
You have only one, right?
Yes.
Good.
And
So there's a
it's
key.
next to the numbers. Like,
There's a key. Okay, there's no key above it.
you know. Like, can you show me
Uh,
what can you show me what it looks like?
okay, I'll send it to you in the chat box.
Okay, so
That's what it looks like.
oh,
Have you seen it now?
I'm finding it.
Okay.
Like that.
But exactly, yes.
No, for me, it's underneath my enter key.
Okay, good, good, good. At least you are able to find it. That's a good one. Okay. So now after that you can now type addition.
Position.
Addition, addition, addition. Okay. Okay. All right. So you can copy what you just added, what you just put there now, including the concatenator.
Okay.
Including the concatenator. You've not selected the concatenator. That
I did.
concatenator is better. Okay. So copy it and paste for the other one and change them accordingly.
Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Oh, what did I just do?
It's okay now. 1 is okay. All right, so
No.
change it to reflect their operations.
What happened to my screen? Okay, I turned it back. So what do you say?
Change them to reflect what they are doing. Like that last one now, it can't be addition, it's int division.
Oh yes, yes, I was doing. So instead I should put division.
Yes, division.
Okay.
Int division, that T should be S. No, not the int, the T in division.
Oh yes, yes.
Mhm.
So should I put it on the same?
That one will be okay. Find remainder. Separate. Put a space between the find and remainder.
Multiplication. Multiplication. Okay, I did it. Oh my God, Mama, I did it. Okay, I did it, sir. That test the code.
Okay, yes, let's go ahead and test it.
Wait, I did it. I just saw one, one. Yes, works.
Excellent.
Subtraction. 91. I'm looking for all of them.
Okay.
Okay. 100. 1.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. 5, 6. What?
What happened?
What? What? That's it. Two subtractions. The int division is not clicking. And find division.
Find.
And when I put a number like 10, 5, it's just 9, not a
Don't
number.
worry. Let's go and check it. Let's go and check the problem. So go back. Let's go back to the code. Let's see. So
Okay.
why do you think? Why is the int divide not showing?
Um, scroll up. Is it because of like
Mm-hmm.
something here?
Is it because of what?
Something here.
Of course.
But,
Whenever you click a button and it's not calling the function that you expected it to call, what are the places where you feel? Where are the possible places where errors can be?
um, hmm, yeah. Let's pause it here. No, and now. Okay, I see why it's using subtraction twice. I did subtraction twice. Um, what is the difference between all of them? Because it is temperature. I don't know.
You can't see anything yet.
No.
Look at the name of the function. The on click.
Is this spelled wrong?
The
No.
name of the function that you put on the on click.
This.
Yes.
Wait, let me check. Okay. What? Division, yes. Oh, I know why. It's divide
Mm-hmm.
and it's division.
Okay. So I think
I
that
thought,
one is okay. But why? Let us
yeah,
look at finding that.
yes, I don't know why that one isn't working.
Scroll down. Let's see.
We go to it exact. Right, but is this the right sign for find remainder?
That's the right sign, but there's something that you are messing up there.
I put my um um where
Why would you use one variable? I told you that you don't use whenever you create a variable, you don't use that same variable for more than one thing. Have you seen the error that you made?
is it because I used a variable a dot in HTML, but I already have a variable called a.
Yes.
Okay, I changed it to C.
Yes, it's okay. Test it now.
Okay. Okay, what? Yeah, that's correct.
Mhm. Then let us test integer division. That one
It's
is
right.
calling now, right? Okay.
Okay.
So, okay, that's fine. That's okay. So, if you were to say that there was something that you learned from today's class, your experience, what would you say that thing is?
I've already experienced clicking on the buttons. I think it will be the that line. Then I write this thing. Then I write the function.
Is that all that you learned? You will say you can remember that you learned from today's class.
And I learned that I can use more than one function.
Well, you remember you asked a question that is it possible to have more than one button on your page, to create more than one button? And I told you that it's possible, right? And that those instead of having all the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division in one place, you can separate them. Do you remember when you asked that question in the last class?
Yes.
Uh-huh. So this is a typical example of how that can be done. Then when I asked you that question, that what would you say you've learned from today's class, I expected you to say quite a lot, because from even from debugging, how to find a bug, a button, you're clicking on a button, it's not showing, it's not
Oh
it's not
yes.
or nothing is happening, where should we go and find the error? So the first place you
Yeah.
should look is at the button itself, right? If there's
And
nothing
where the
wrong there, where
and
else
where
to
the
check?
where the function.
Check the on-click attribute, right? If the function in the
Yes.
on-click attribute is not the same as the one in the actual function that is called, then it will not work, right?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. Then when it now comes to other places where you must have seen bugs, when you clicked on that create four buttons, nothing was showing, right? That was the
Yes.
first thing that we resolved. And when you looked at your strings, you saw that the buttons were not well formed. Some things were missing, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
And so those things had to be sorted out. Then, then I think the thing now worked. And then
I can't
maybe
hear
the
you.
other, you can't hear me.
Your voice is glitching. What you saying?
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. Then the other thing that maybe you remember, the last thing that we just resolved now, when you are not seeing, you are seeing not a number, NaN. That's what not NaN means,
Not
not
a
a number.
number.
And we went to the function to find out why is it showing NaN, and we saw that what happened. You are using the same variable name more
Yeah.
than once inside the same function, and that is a law that must not be must not you must not break that law. A variable is a unique name. It can only be used how many times within a function?
Once. Once.
Once, yes. Now
Once.
remember what I said, within a function. But if you look very well outside the function, you have a and b in all the functions, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
There's no problem with that. The only issue is when they are in different functions. You dare not, when they are in the same function, you dare not use the same function name that you've already created. Okay,
Yes.
so I think we've been able to resolve this. I wanted us to do more things here, maybe like to make the buttons show on different lines, but I think it's okay the way it's showing. Maybe we'll do that in another question.
Okay, sir.
All right, so I think we can call it a day for now. Um, uh, I really wish that your computer is back. All these unnecessary delays, because I understand your brother also wants to use his own computer, and you can't delay his own work just because of our own. But I don't know
Yes, sir.
when will your computer be fixed.
Yes. I don't know. Mm.
Has it been taken for repairs yet? Or is it still
He
at
said I should what? Hello? Hello, good morning, good evening.
good evening, ma?
Oh, my brother, how are you? How was your day?
Fine, thank you, ma. Yours, ma?
I thank God.
Okay, ma.
So I
That's
think
all.
he's telling me something about his laptop.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, I was telling him that it's sometimes maybe Shalom wants to use the laptop and he too needs to use the laptop. So it's kind of delaying his work. So I was just asking him when it would get fixed.
This boy, I did not even understand. He was the one that spoiled that. He's not even to fix it or to now here to fix a laptop. It's money.
Okay.
And we did
Oh,
not get it here. So they will not be
okay.
able to fix it. We have to send it to Nigeria. And to even buy another one is not a problem. He will use laptop to play game till when it got spoiled.
Mm,
Everywhere,
Okay.
like
Okay.
this, I think this is the second one now. Even if it is phone,
Mm.
it's a lot of
Mm.
game. I don't know what I would do.
Mm. Mm.
Getting another one is not the problem, but will I be getting laptop every time?
I understand. I understand. I understand.
We'll find a way around it. We'll find a way. But hope is coping. Is he getting it?
Yes, yes. At least the ones that we did today, he's showing his aptitude in understanding it. Yes. Ah.
Okay.
Oh, wow, wow, wow. At a point, I also thought about this thing that could it be it was when he was using it for games or something
My
that
brother, it
you
was
see.
game. Oh. No, aside from this training, the rest of the time is game.
Ah,
The rest, that's
ah,
when my husband used to tell you that you should bombard him with work assessment very well.
yes.
Here, they don't give them homework. No homework
Mm,
at all. Just teach
mm,
them and let them go. It is second day.
mm, wow.
Yeah.
Ah, mm.
So it will just be giving him work to do. I'm thinking probably he's busy. He will not have time for game.
Mm, mm. Ah, one of the challenges I have with him is even sometimes when that time his laptop was still okay. When I give him a homework, he does sometimes he doesn't get it done until it's almost time for class.
For class.
That's when he now tries to start doing it, and it sometimes it delays us, so we have to start class later than usual because he's trying to finish up
Mm.
the homework. I don't really like
Mm.
him doing the homework class.
Okay. Yeah, don't worry. I will see into that now. If I get another laptop for him, I think I will have a close monitoring, mostly on the assignments. So don't worry.
Okay,
There will be a game.
that's
Thank you
my.
very
And
much. Yeah.
if you want to get another one for him, if you
Okay.
feel maybe I don't know, maybe the one that I don't know if a notebook, one that has not so much high capacity in terms of I don't know the ones I'm not I don't know now the nature of the games that he plays if it's those ones that uh, are being played online, or the ones that they have to install something on the system before it will be played. I'm not sure now. So that uh, there should be a way one can, control the apps that
Okay.
we install on a system.
Okay.
If it's installed versus whether it's a site that he has to go
It's
to
right.
play. Yes,
Okay. Yeah,
yes,
okay. My husband will talk to
we
you. When it's time, he will talk to you.
okay, okay, all right,
Thank you very much. I really
okay,
appreciate. Thank you.
okay. You're welcome.
Happy birthday. Happy
Simeon,
birthday. So,
I am not happy with what I just heard now. I am so not happy with it. Hmm? You didn't tell me that laptop spoiled when you were playing game with it, did you?
nobody game on it.
Are you sure?
Yes, it's my dad's work laptop. I can't install any games on it.
Okay, just try and I don't know what happened. Why they,
It's like
you told me
it's when we
just
finish
stop.
our class. It's when
Mm,
we finished our class and I switched laptop off. Then I switched
mm.
it back on. It couldn't switch on back.
So now, does it have? Do you have like a surge protector on the laptop that you connect the socket to, the plug to?
What is that?
Something that maybe will not allow a high voltage to enter the laptop. Do you have anything like that? You understand what I'm saying? It's usually
Eh,
connected to the wall. So you connect your socket, your plug to that
No,
thing?
no, no,
That
sir.
one, you don't have something like that.
No.
I'm just thinking that maybe that thing got. When you told me the first time, what came to my mind was that maybe it was high voltage that entered it. But you guys don't usually have problems with high voltage over there.
Yes, yes, we don't.
110 volts. So I don't know what could have happened. Anyway, just try and see how you can, you know, um,
Mm,
sure that you give your mom the assurance that nothing will happen to the laptop again. I don't want to say whether it's your fault or not now in this case because it looks like it was a power thing, but we can't establish that it's power yet until they actually look at it. Okay, all right now. So I guess we'll meet again on Thursday, right?
yes, sir.
Okay, okay. I'll
Yeah,
send
bye,
you
sir.
something. Yeah, bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.